Tell us about it.
This was last February 12 during the Masara landslide. Ay, bakit biglang ganyan? Bigla kasi akong nagiging emotional in terms of pag ito yung mga pinag-uusapan, Sir Jong.
Okay.
Kasi before this
Ano to? Ano
happened,
to?
Landslide.
landslide. Before that
Nag-landslide ba?
happened,
Okay.
landslide.
Yeah.
Ano yun, Sir Neil?
Hindi. Ngayon ko lang kasi nabalitaan to eh. So, anyway, sige, go ahead. Sorry.
After kasi nung isang event, na malaking event ng endurance dito sa Mindanao, Mindanao was also affected by a tragic parang weather. So, nagkaroon ng matinding pag-ulan resulting to pagbaha and landslide. And after that, may kasunod pa talaga na lindol. So, what I did is, nung nalaman ko na affected yung province namin, which is Davao de Oro, I tried to seek help using my platform, my social media account, my Facebook page, to raise a fund to help the community. Because I'm from Davao de Oro, particularly po sa Compostela, Municipality of Compostela, Davao de Oro. And seeing those children, nakikita ko yung mga mukha nila, seeking for help, trying to get some food. Nagpa-flashback sa akin yung nangyari sa amin nung 2012 during the Bagyong Pablo. So, nung Bagyong Pablo, totally damaged yung bahay namin. Tapos yung pinagkakakitaan ng parents ko, wala talaga. And then, nanghihingi kami ng relief good, minsan kulang, minsan hindi kami mabigyan. May mga pagkain na dala ang volunteers, hindi kami mabigyan. So, nung nalaman ko na ganun kalala ang nangyari sa province namin sa Davao de Oro, I did try to seek help sa social media to ask for monetary donations, clothes, canned goods, relief goods, ganyan. Until I met etong Durian. Durian is the Davao United Responders for Immediate Action Response. Isa yan sila mga group of firefighter volunteers wherein ganyan din yung mga ginagawa nila. So, nag-reach out sila sa akin and then we had this kind of collaboration. Kasi sinabi ko sa sarili ko, since nakilala na din ako sa larangan ng pag-ride or pag-i-endurance, hindi ko kakalimutan kung bakit ko sinimulan yung pagtulong ko sa kapwa. So, kaya sinabi ko na I will take this chance or I will grab this chance or opportunity to make my vision happen, to make one of my advocacy happen. So, kaya yan yung nangyari. Ito yung nangyari.
Very nice. Wow. So,
Wow.
it's not only, the passion for riding, but also the passion for helping. Yes, ganun naman talaga, di ba? If just like if you have the capacity to reach out, to ask help from then capacity to share as well. So
Yes. Kasi ramdam ko yun dati, sir, yung hindi mo alam kung saan ka hihingi ng tulong. You don't know if who to go to,
Yeah.
kung sino ang pupuntahan, who to seek help.
Exactly.
And then, nung na-realize ko talaga, actually, I'm doing this even before, hindi pa masyado ganun kataas yung followers ko. Nagsasali na ako ng mga charity ride, yung community charity ride na pumupunta kami to far-flung areas, nagdadala kami ng mga canned goods, relief goods, or even school supplies. So, yun yung isa sa mga parang gusto ko talagang mas strengthen pa kasi doon ako nakilala din. Kaya,
nice.
Yun.
Yes, very nice. So, partner, we hope that we'll be able to to help her as well in some of her projects na
Yeah,
so definitely.
Partner, nakakatuwa talagang marinig yung mga ganitong klaseng projects or charitable projects or events, no? Because dumadami actually, partner. even here, even sa Cebu, partner, dumadami din yung mga motorcycle clubs, no? Na from the usual feeding program, talagang nag-level up, no? Nag-level up to the extent na every time na may sunog, may mga kalamidad, no? So handang-handa silang lahat, no? Most of them are really prepared. Kahit hindi na parang hinihingan ng tulong, sila yung parang gumagawa ng paraan para mag-create ng outreach program. Kagaya ng sinabi ni Inday Mori, no? Na through their own platforms, yan, no? Nagsosolicit sila, humihingi sila ng mga donations para ipamimigay naman. Tsaka ang maganda kasi dito, partner, unlike before na may mga bogus na mga operations, no?
Yes.
Yan, alam naman ng karamihan yan. But this time, itong mga different motorcycle clubs na to, partner, talagang black and white, no? Black and white. Tapos, lahat ng mga tumutulong, like mga donors, yung mga namimigay ng mga dilata,
Yes.
bigas, lahat, partner, nililista nila, no? Nililista nila at sinusulat at pinasasalamatan sa social media mismo. So, syempre, makikita doon lahat ng donors, no? So, yun, medyo, yan lang ang, for me, a very, very big difference between the motorcycle clubs sa panahon natin tsaka sa panahon ngayon.
Yeah.